Today I received the Ford Power Up 2.3.0 update. My car tried to do the update about a week ago and it wouldn't work. I gotta tell you, I have a December 2020 model and it's a premium edition with standard range, and I'm in the early adopter program. I can't remember where, but somewhere online I was able to sign up for that when I just got the car. So new with the update is, usually here Ford would show you some result what's in the update. This time they don't do any, but it shows in the Ford Pass app, and there it says check out what's new. Ford Power Up software updates like this enhance the quality, capability and convenience of the vehicle. So what is in the update? In the Ford Power Up 2.3.0, now finally you can do Ford Assistant multi-day scheduling, more feature enhancements. We got updates on updates. For the updates that need your vehicle to be turned off for a short while, that's where our new multi-day scheduling comes in. We know you're busy, so this feature will allow you to schedule and stagger your updates for the days and times that work best for you. Our latest update now functions lets you install an update as soon as it's ready for your vehicle. Instead of having to wait for your scheduled time, this will help you get the updates fast and allow you a lot more flexibility. That means now when you go here on the system update screen, which is under settings, now you can go in the scheduler. Before you could choose one day, but now you can choose several days and the time, whatever is convenient for you. Because some people, they don't want to update once a week, they want to update every night whenever they get home, or if you work night shift, maybe in the morning when you get home. So you press exit here. Now if there's an update, you can actually manually trigger the update. This was not possible before, which is now, I believe, a great benefit for everybody which is waiting for an update. The next thing it says, ever wanted to talk to your vehicle? Well, now you can with your own Ford Assistant. Just say, okay Ford, to wake up your assistant and ask questions like, how does my cruise control work? Or when does my warranty expire? We could try that with my car. Let me try it. Okay Ford. Yeah, apparently it's not working because I believe I set my wake up word to something else. Here's the Ford Assistant tab. You can go here, see what's your wake up word. You can choose different words. For me it's now hello Ford. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it starts now. So I can say, when does my warranty expire?
How can I help you? You can ask me to make a phone call, find a place, or play music.
When does my warranty expire?
Say something like, call John Smith, navigate to One American Road, Dearborn, Michigan, the Sirius channel name or FM 88.7.
How does my cruise control work?
Got it. Searching for this. I don't know how to help with that just yet.
Okay, that didn't work well. Let me try again. Hello Ford. Oh, I didn't wake up. Let me try again. Hello Ford. I didn't want to wake up. Maybe I gotta go out of the menu. Hello Ford. Okay Ford. Let me check again the settings. My wake up word should be hello Ford. Let's try that again. Hello Ford. Hello Ford. Yeah, this is one of the reasons why I don't like the voice command. I can try it with the button on the steering wheel. How does my cruise control work?
Got it. Searching for this. I don't know how to help with that just yet, but I'm still learning.
Okay, then let's try the other question they showed as an example. When does my warranty expire?
Please try again.
When does my warranty expire?
Say something like, call John Smith, navigate to One American.
Hello Ford. Yeah, I gave up on this. I tried it before. I know you can wake it up with OK Ford and Hello Ford. I'm just not sure is it my car. Sometimes voice commands can be a reason with my accent. So then let's go to the next position. Taking the place of intelligent adaptive cruise control, speed sign recognition has been added to the Sync driver assistant menu. You can now find it on your in-vehicle screen under adaptive cruise control. So I guess I go here, settings, driver assistance, adaptive cruise control. Here's now the speed sign recognition. I think this was just moved. I don't remember where it was before, but I was able to find that on another location before. So the next thing which it says, if you ever want to stimulate your mind while parked, we have added a couple of puzzle games called Blocks and Tiles, which can be found on your in-vehicle screen. The Tiles puzzle will challenge you to match colors and shapes, while the goal of Blocks is to match shape block. So here's a couple new apps which I found. One is here the Blocks, what they mentioned. Let's start the game. How that works is you got here in the circle several different shapes of blocks, and this is the one which is your turn right now. I tried here before. Let me try a new game. So if it's a new game, you have the single block. I can position where I want it. Then I have here that 3-pointer. I can put it here. Again, a single one, I could put it here. And this one doesn't fit anywhere, so I can park it up here. Now this one fits here. I can keep going until I win the game or I lose the game. I have not found out what actually happens when you cannot move anymore. You can undo stuff, but not sure. Like right now, I cannot park that anymore. I can't turn that. How to play. So pretty basic, similar like I would call it like a Tetris game. It's not Tetris, but like a Tetris game. Then we have a second game, which is here the Tiles. There's a relax and rush mode. I assume it's just different speed. Let me try the relax mode. I don't want to continue my previous game. I start a new one. So it says you gotta connect 4 different colors, and then it will always empty out. So like this, like this, like this. Then I can try the next one here. Oh, there is not 4 different colors. Like this. Or I can try to connect here. Like this. You just keep connecting 4 colors. Let's see what's the rush version. Rush mode. I haven't tried that yet. I assume, yeah, the bricks keep falling down. So, here I use the same color. How many colors do I have to connect? Oh, it has 5 colors. Match them all. Green, purple, orange, blue, red. Purple, red, orange. I forgot blue. So blue, green, red, orange, purple. Yeah, that's how it works. Eventually it will go up and then I will lose. So now it says here also. So yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff going on. Ongoing updates like this help you enjoy the best possible version of your Mustang Mach E vehicle. Keep in mind that features availability varies by model. For more information on these features, visit ownerford.com. So it doesn't tell you much more what else was changed on the car. There was a couple things I found out. So let's go. You probably saw it before in the video. If I go to the Sketch app, there's some cool stuff which happen here, is especially when you have kids. There's some coloring pages, so you can choose the Mach E, actually color the Mach E if you want, different colors, or different coloring page would be here. There's the lightning. I can't really tell if it's the lightning or if it's just the F-150, but so you got some coloring pages, a small thing which was changed. Another thing which I think is a bit significant is the volume knob has changed. If I'm in just changing my if I just change the volume, you will see now there's a volume bar. There's no more. The bar used to be here. Now it goes sideways. That has changed. I read that some Apple users have now full screen. So if I go Android Auto still doesn't have full screen. So let's say I go Android Auto. You see here the map. And you see here the music. Even though I make it smaller or bigger, it doesn't have full screen. It seems a little bit that the bottom here reacts faster, like before. But it's still not full screen, no matter what other app I use. I mean, I can use the ChargePoint app. It is not full screen, it's still the little square. One thing also I noticed, if I press on it and delete it, now it showed the garbage can. I didn't use that before. Before you just swipe it down and was gone. So that are the things which I noticed. Please comment below or message me if you saw any other new improvements which I have not noticed. Please do not forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me to grow and give you more information. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.